In this video, we will cover current affair of 1st of September. So let's start. PM Modi inaugurated the college administration building of Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University in which city? So it is Jhansi. How much crore was sanctioned for 500 water project to improve the water availability in the drought prone Bundelkhand region, Uttar Pradesh? So it is 10,000 crore. The 6th edition of International Military Technical Forum Army 2020 was held between August 23 to 29 at which city? So it was held at Russia, Moscow, Russia. The 6th, okay. Vedanta has partnered with which bank for long-term syndicate loan worth rupees 10,000 crore? So Vedanta has partnered with State Bank of India. The BRICS Sports Minister approved MOU for cooperation in the field of physical culture and sport recently. Which country is the chairman of BRICS 2020? So it is Russia. Which airport has won the National Energy Leader and Excellent Energy Efficient Unit Award at the 21st National Award for Excellence in Energy Management? So the airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, which is located at Hyderabad. Who chaired the 17th ASEAN Indian Economic Minister meet along with Vietnam's Tran Tau An? So answer is Piyush Goyal. Which company has acquired Future Group for rupees 24,713 crore? So it was acquired by Reliance Retail Ventures Limited. The Department of Telecommunication and SEBI has given approval to Reliance Jio to sell units worth rupees 25,215 crore in Tower Infrastructure Trust to which company? So the company name is Brookfield Infrastructure Partners LP. The S-400 missile system will be delivered to India by which country? So it will be delivered by Russia. Name the e-market platform which was launched to bridge gap between Indian farmer and UAE food industry. So the e-market platform which was launched to bridge gap between Indian farmer and UAE food industry is Agriota. Who has won the Belgian Grand Prix 2020? So it was won by Lewis Hamilton. Name the country which has won championship gold medal in 2020 online FIDE chess Olympiad. FIDE chess Olympiad. So both the countries Russia and India have won the championship. S. Padmavati, who passed away in August 2020, is popularly known as. So S. Padmavati is popularly known as godmother of cardiology. So he was a cardiologist, first cardiologist, I guess. Chadwick Boseman, who passed away recently, is renowned actor. Katyayani Shankar Bajpayee, K.S. Bajpayee, who passed away recently, in news recently, he was a well-known diplomat. He was invited to Pakistan, US, Netherlands and China. When was the United Nations International Day of Victims of Informants Disappearance was observed annually? So So it is observed annually on 30th August. PM Modi announced to celebrate which month of 2020 as Poshan Mah or Nutrition Month. So it is September. Bhitarkanika National Park is located in which state? So Bhitarkanika is located at Odisha. At Odisha, Bhitarkanika. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is located in which state? So Tarapur Atomic Power Station is located at Maharashtra. The banker to every Indian. The banker to every Indian is the tagline of which bank? So it is tagline of State Bank of India. So that's it for this video.